Beasts in the East. That was our theme in our quest for steam in 2022. Perennial favorite Nickel Plate Road, number 765, found a new place to run, pulling excursions on Regional Railroad Indiana Northeastern. But new restorations were the big story as the Western Maryland Scenic Railroad unveiled their 2662, number 1309, and Reading and Northern's 484, number 2102, returned to operation for the first time since 1991. These and 3 other smaller locomotives lay in store as we go steamin' in 2022. When the COVID pandemic hit in 2020, time was approaching for the federally mandated boiler inspection on Southern Railway number 401 at the Monticello Railway Museum. Trains didn't run that year. The museum used the downtime to overhaul passenger cars and get an early start on number 401. In 2022, the sounds of steam could once again be heard in central Illinois. In July, we joined the crew in the cab of the 1907 Baldwin as they went about their daily routine. The locomotive was sporting an Illinois Central whistle for the weekend. The locomotive's own whistle was used for the rest of the year.
Okay, 401, we are ready to go forward and highball the Nelson Crossing.
In the spring of 2022, a multi-year deal was announced with the Regional Railroad Indiana Northeastern. Operating under the banner of the Indiana Rail Experience, the 765 would handle trips of varying lengths through the year. The longest of these was billed as the Tri-State Scenic Steam Excursion, making a round trip from Edon, Ohio, through Indiana to Hillsdale, Michigan, and return. On August 27th, the 765 and train departed Edon in a haze of a warm summer morning. Not much remains of the former Western Maryland Yard at Ridgely, West Virginia, but what does remain is the yard and shops of the Western Maryland Scenic Railroad. Steam returned to the railroad's excursion trains in 2022 with the unveiling of restored 2662 number 1309. Resplendent in the fireball paint of late-era Western Maryland steam power, the 1309 is both the only compound articulated and the largest locomotive operating east of the Mississippi River. Number 1309 is a notable locomotive. She was built for the Chesapeake and Ohio in 1949 and was the last steam locomotive built by the Baldwin Locomotive Works for domestic use. A Class H6, she was a throwback to earlier designs predating the First World War and was purchased to replace those very locomotives in mine-run service rather than using new diesels for that purpose. Sitting outside the Reading and Northern Steam Shop at Port Clinton, Pennsylvania, is an excursion icon, former Reading Class T1 484 number 2102.